exposing the secrets to shedding pounds, starting with your breakfast. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your entire day, providing the energy and nutrients you need to tackle whatever comes your way. Get ready to transform your mornings and your waistline. A healthy breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, curb your cravings, and keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful health tips. First up, the classic, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a powerhouse breakfast option that has stood the test of time. It's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Rich in fiber and protein, it keeps you full and energized. The fiber in oatmeal helps to regulate your digestive system and keeps you feeling full longer, which can help prevent overeating later in the day. Add some berries for a burst of antioxidants and natural sweetness. Berries are low in calories, but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a perfect addition to your oatmeal. Next, Greek yogurt with nuts. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Low in sugar, high in protein, and packed with healthy fats. The nuts add a satisfying crunch and provide healthy fats that are good for your heart. It's perfect for taming those mid-morning cravings. Don't forget smoothies. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to pack a lot of nutrition into one meal. Blend spinach, protein powder, and a handful of fruits. Spinach is a great source of vitamins and minerals, and protein powder helps to keep you full and supports muscle growth. It's a quick nutrient-packed option that fuels your body and supports fat loss. Smoothies are also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Last but not least, eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile breakfast options out there. Scramble them with veggies for a low-calorie, protein-rich breakfast. Vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making your breakfast even more nutritious. They're versatile and keep you satisfied longer. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a great way to start your day. So, there you have it. Oatmeal, Greek yogurt, smoothies, and eggs. These breakfast options are not only delicious, but also incredibly effective for fat loss. Start your day with these breakfasts and watch the fat melt away. Stay healthy, stay happy. Remember, consistency is key. Make these breakfasts a regular part of your routine, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Enjoy your mornings, and enjoy your journey to a healthier you.